Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple Music track is usable, purchased, or DRM-free. Once done, open the Music app on your Mac or iTunes, sign in, and locate the song. Make a mental note of the exact 30-second segment you want. Shorter rings load faster and follow iPhone limits. Connect your iPhone to the Mac so syncing options are ready. Now set the song's start and stop times in the song info to isolate the ringtone portion before converting. Once you've trimmed the song to the exact segment, choose File, Convert, Create AAC Version. This makes a new short file. Make sure the new file plays the intended clip. Right-click and choose Show in Finder to locate it. Change the file extension from M4A to M4R. This marks it as a ringtone. If Finder asks, confirm the extension change. After renaming, remove the trimmed AAC copy from your library if you want to avoid duplicates, but keep the M4R. Drag the M4R file into your device's tones section in Finder or iTunes and sync. This installs the ringtone on the iPhone. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics Ringtone and choose your new tone, then assign to a contact if desired. If the file won't import, it's likely DRM protected. Make sure you used a purchased or unprotected file. As a fallback, record the segment into GarageBand on iPhone and export as a ringtone. This bypasses DRM and still achieves the same result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.